First of all, prepare the raw materials for making yoga blocks by mixing them thoroughly and combining them into a cohesive lump. This mixture is then heated and subjected to high pressure, transforming it into a soft, pliable foam. Once formed, the foam is cooled to stabilize its structure. The cooled EVA foam is cut into custom sizes, and the yoga blocks are finished with a simple, clean appearance. Through the special machine, the blocks are trimmed the excess material to ensure smooth edges and uniform size. Finally, some blocks may be printed with brand logos or designs to add a personalized touch.